गोंयांत येवपी सगळे उद्देग पर्यावरण पुरक आसतले। रेड उद्देग जे प्रदूषण करतात तांकां राज्यान परवानगी मेळना। फकत ग्रीन उद्देग जे सैमाक राखतात तांकांच फकत सरकार परवानगी दिता। येता त्या कांय दिसां भितर ग्रीन उद्देग हाडपा खातीर नवो आराखडो आनी नवीन नेमांची अंमलबजावणी करतले, अशें गोंय उद्देगीक उदरगत महामंडळाचो अध्यक्ष आलेक्स रेजिनाल्डान सांगले। हे सगळे करतना उद्देजकांक विश्वासान घेतले आनी फुडें वयतले अशें ताचें म्हणणें।
All industries that approach us are all green. They are not red industries. Red industries, we are not giving permissions. We strive to do it. We are coming with new rules. Shortly, we will announce all the rules. We will see, we will tell you what we are doing exactly. There may be apprehensions in the mind of people, what is happening, but we will clear out everything. We are taking everybody into confidence, including the Industries Association. We are taking the government also, Chief Minister as well as the Industries Minister. We are taking everybody into confidence and we will come up. I will not be able to tell you right now anything. A comprehensive plan of what we are going to do and what we are doing exactly. We will come with a common press conference. Where we will discuss everything trade bill. But one thing is sure. Like how I said in blood, we want to be in the difference. Our administration also, we will see that we make a difference with the help of the Industries Minister and the Chief Minister. We'll make sure that we make a difference. There will be no hidden agenda. There will be nothing absolutely when it is done. Whoever has to talk, we have no issues. Let them talk. But the intent will be good intent, where we will not be able to compromise the IDC corporation. We want to see that the corporation reaches to a new high.